For GA also, you read a lot of current affairs. For ESI also, you had to remember a lot of facts.
Yes.
For finance also, for that matter, you had to do a certain amount of current affairs.
Right.
So tell me your entire current affairs strategy, and please take your time because I really want to hear that. 72.5 is a really, really good score. So please take your sweet time and explain us everything about current affairs.
So I think for current affairs for phase 1, I had taken up that mag. There was this website of Affairs Cloud, and they have their PDFs and monthly, weekly, topic-wise divided and all that. So I was strictly following that. I think once or twice I did. You guys also provide the phase 1 current affairs. This thing I remember, there's an entire PDF set that comes out. So I used to somehow match it out also. That is there any information missing from here or there, but it was majorly limited to these two sources. And the fact was, so if you understand the structure of phase 1, it's got a lot to do with your timing also. You might be the most knowledgeable person in the world, but if you can't recall the fact within that time period, there is no use. So it holds true for quant, LR, everything. That it's a very time-bound thing. So for GA, my goal was like I have to see the question and know the answer. Even without looking at the options, also I have to know the answer. So I wanted to prepare at that level for the exam. And it was the same thing. So I used to revise quite a lot, sir. I mean, in terms of the PDFs that were there, keep the topic. I mean, the topic-wise PDFs are extremely helpful. So revision was the only thing which I think helped it.